We all know that one of the greatest epic ever written is Mahabharata. But the thing is, most of us have no idea about what exactly happened after Kurukshetra war. It has deep impact among the lifestyle of many people today. Kurukshetra war is considered as the most violent war ever fought, as many number of kingdoms directly and indirectly took part in this war for many causes. It is well known that Pandavas' side attained a great victory in this war. But the questions like how long did the Pandavas rule the Hastinapuram and how did they finally die? I have gone through some books and going to share the most possible answers for these questions. It is said that Pandavas ruled the Hastinapuram successfully for 36 years with Yudhishthira, so-called Dharma, as the king. After the war, Gandhari cursed the Pandavas will die exactly the way Kauravas did, and Krishna have to bear all the sins of the war. At the end of ruling period of the Pandavas, the curse of the Gandhari started coming true. Riot among the people of Dwaraka, so-called Yadavas, went severe stage to which everyone started killing each other and went extinct. Seeing this as the king of Yadavas, Krishna left the kingdom to Vanavasam. In the jungle, a hunter named Jara unintentionally shot his arrow in Krishna's feet. Due to this injury, he left his mortal body and merged with Lord Vishnu. The Pandavas started their holy journey to Himalayas as Mahamuni Vedavyasar implied, as the Dwapara Yuga is about to end and Kali Yuga is about to begin. Lord Yamadharma, in form of a dog, followed Pandavas in their journey. On the way to the Himalayas, Pandavas started to die one after another, as Panchali, Sahadevan, Nakulan, Bhiman and Arjunan. Only Yudhishthira, eldest of Pandavas, and the dog managed to reach the peak of the mountain. At the peak, Lord Indiran appeared in front of him in Pushpaka Vimana to take him to the heaven. Yudhishthira requested Lord Indiran to permit him to take the dog too with him. To praise the generous behavior of Yudhishthira, Lord Yamadharma shown up his real figure and blessed Yudhishthira. Lord Indiran took him to the heaven through the hell. Yudhishthira noticed his wife and all four brothers are in hell. So he requested Indiran to make sure their presence too in the heaven. As soon as entering the heaven, he noticed that the Lord Krishna among the Devas, Bhishmar among the ancestors, Karnan among the Adityas, and all his fellow men and opponent warriors in there. He got confused seeing Duryodhana too in the heaven and asked Narada, and Narada explained that Duryodhana is not a coward king and his death took place in a holy place, and that's why he is in the heaven. And the Pandavas reached the heaven by spending few hours in the hell according to their sins. That's all about this video, and see you next time with a new story. Thank you for watching.